Tip of the day. Has anyone told you that life insurance can give you or your loved one financial security? As an advisor, I know that one product doesn't fit all. There are different types of products for each situation. For example, there's term insurance. They're cheap, easy, and you can basically cancel when you want to with no problems. But it's only for a certain set of time. Whereas you have permanent insurance, which is whole life or universal life, you can use basically for the rest of your life, entire lifespan, but they're more expensive. As a you sitting down with an advisor, this is what you need to know. An advisor will tell you basically, all right, this product is best suited for you for this situation. This product will suit you because you want it for your family in the long term. Maybe you have family problems. Maybe a permanent insurance for a long time will be better, whereas the term insurance gets more and more expensive, and in somewhere down the lines you don't qualify, then you have problems if you be uninsured. Now, that's the thing you have to consider. That's why sitting down with an advisor, he can go through all those situations and he can guide you and give you the best one for what situation you want. Another example, if you're going into a car lot, you need a car going from A to B. Would you go in and get a Rolls Royce when you don't need it? Go from point A to point B? Or you need more basically economic vehicle like a Toyota or a Honda? Something cheap to use. That's the same thing. Whereas your permanent insurances, you can think about is more like the Rolls Royce, and your Honda Civic's more like the term insurance. What do you need that thing for is the main thing. What do you want your life insurance to do for you? Do you want it just to protect your assets, or do you want to invest and grow your money for yourself, like emergency fund or for retirement purposes? These things has to be considered. And these things, you sit down with an advisor like me, who will sit down and tell you exactly which one will be best fit for you and your family. Yes, you can do it yourself, but at the end, why not get a second opinion and get the proper product for yourself? Right? You get term insurance. You do know they don't have a savings part in it, but think of it this way: if you have the permanent insurance and you get the universal life insurance, it's the difference between the two. You'll have a part permanent insurance for the rest of your life, and you got part term insurance to make it a little bit cheaper. That will also help you in different ways. One, you'll save up money for emergency fund, or in case you want it for retirement purposes, you can have that too. Main thing is you have money growing inside of this wealth account that's in the universal life, which is growing on a tax-free basis. Plus, when you decide to take it out in retirement, the money for yourself, you can use. It doesn't affect your CPP or your old age, not like mutual funds or your RRSP will be affecting it. So this doesn't affect it. It's totally yours. You can add on to your income of your CPP and old age. Those are benefits you need to know what best fits you and your family. Maybe down the line when you have your retirement using that money, but something happens, you pass away, you still have that protection clause in there where your family still gets some money for their benefit because you had saved up money, plus you used some of the money for yourself in the same time period. Think about it. You saved up the money, you get to use it, plus the insurance basically is free because the amount of money you put in is equal to what you already have inside of it growing. So that gives you free insurance. Plus, you using the money. Plus, something did happen. You know you're in a peace of mind that basically your family still gets money left over because of the protection that's on there. Think about it. You get to use the money, plus your family will have use of the money out of the protection. Isn't that give you peace of mind that you know you have both sides covered in case anything happens to you?